Are you craving for something tangy and wholesome? Well, here is a quick lemony snack with only 4 ingredients, no cooking needed. You'll need 1 cup of whole cashews, 1 cup of almonds, and about 8 to 10 soft kind of dates, and a juice of 1 lemon. Blend all the nuts together. I like the bars crunchy, hence I coarsely grind the nuts. You can make it a little more smooth if you like it that way. Now mix the nut mixture, which has been coarsely grinded, with the soft dates. Now you can add the lemon juice and then mix it all well, and then you can lay the mixture into a tray lined with parchment paper. Press it down using your fingers, even it out, then cover it and set in the refrigerator for about an hour. When you set it in the refrigerator, it becomes easier to cut them. Then remove the tray, fold it to make a slab, even it out, then remove the cover and slice in squares. This can be stored in airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. If you want to store it longer, then refrigerate it. So there you have it, a high protein, crunchy, lemony snack.